Hey guys, I want to show you a really great way to fold paper into an envelope, and you could even mail it if it's a big enough piece of paper. 9 by 11 and a half is 9.5 by 11 isn't big enough to like mail, but it makes a cute little envelope. Okay, here we go. You take your paper and you go from one corner down the side. So you right in the corner and down the side. You make a crease. Then you switch corners, bring that corner that you just folded down to the opposite line, and you make another crease. You open it up, and then you bring these sides together, bring these corners out, and you press down, and then you bring this corner up to the top. Bring this corner up and make it match at the top. Then you open these sides and bring this little corner up. And you did a mirror image on the opposite triangle. Bring this corner down, match it up. And then you bring this little corner up. And then you bring this little piece up, like that. On the sides, you bring them in, line them up, bring it in, line it up nice and even. And then you bring that side in, and you bring this side in, bring this up, tuck it under, and then you bring this down, press, and you tuck that little corner under, and you have a nice little envelope. We used to pass notes, friends used to pass notes back and forth when I was a little girl like this. All right, have fun making envelopes out of paper, and you can use big pieces, little pieces. It's fun to see how little you can make it. Bye-bye.